Hello Agricos. Today I came up with job update, that is National Fertilizer Limited marketing representative. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the vacancy and position, age limit, eligibility criteria, education qualification, application fee and examination center, pay scale and perks, examination pattern, and how to apply for this exam. So friends, going through the notification, recruitment of non-executive workers in various disciplines. Various jobs are released under the non-executive workers. Marketing representative is one of those jobs. Under marketing division, 15 posts of marketing representatives are released. So friends, posts are only 15, but those 15 jobs are very valuable because NFL only releases posts once in 2 to 3 years. So friends, talking about age limit and educational qualification, the minimum age is 18 years and the maximum age for applying this exam is 30 years. So friends, going through the educational qualification, this job is only for BSc Agriculture graduates. Regular BSc Agriculture with 50% marks in aggregate for general OBC EWS candidates and 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Examination fee for applying for this exam is 200 rupees plus bank charges. SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman, departmental category candidates are not required to pay the application fees. So friends, talking about the pay scale and salary of marketing representative in National Fertilizer Limited is 24,200 to 64,000. Along with the basic pay, many other allowances like industrial dayness allowance, housing rent allowance, company accommodation, along with the other benefits like leave encashment, medical facilities, performance related pay, contributory provident fund, gratitudes, etc. are provided. So friends, talking about the application process, how to apply for NFL marketing representative. First of all, open the site www.nationalfertilizer.com. Then open career options and then proceed to the recruitment in NFL and then open recruitment of non-executive workers notification. To make this easy, I will be posting the link in the description and open the link for applying for this examination. So friends, to open the site for application and also to download the official notification, open the link in my description. During the application process, the candidates have to submit the following documents. So make sure that they are ready before application. So the required documents are date of birth proof, that is 10th class certificate, educational qualification proof, caste certificate for SC, ST and OBC candidates, EWS certificate for EWS candidates, identity certificates such as Aadhaar, PAN, passport, election ID issued by Indian government. All these documents should be 200 KB in size in PDF format only. Along with these documents, candidates have to upload latest passport size photograph with 50 KB in JPG or JPEG format. A photo of signature in digital format have to be uploaded with a size of 20 KB in JPG or JPEG format. Other documents for ex-servicemen Jammu and Kashmir domicile between 1980 to 1989 have to be submitted for ex-servicemen and Jammu and Kashmir residents. So friends, talking about examination pattern, examination is only one type, that is only a single examination without any interview. Examination is computer based test and duration of test will be 2 hours. Exam consists of 150 marks. Among those, 100 marks are agriculture questions and 50 marks for general English, aptitude, reasoning and general awareness. Candidates qualified in computer-based test are called for document verification. The examination center for this exam are Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, NCR, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Bangalore, Kochi, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Kolkata, Patna, Gwalior, Raipur and Lucknow. Important dates for candidates. The date of opening online applications are 21/10/2021, that is October 21, 2021. Last date for submission of application is 10/11/2021, that is November 10, 2021.